UGRO stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So I'm looking at urban-gro. This is 17% now, which is solid. This is how my chart is ultimately looking like. I've talked about this plenty of times before, but if I come here, UGRO is my, okay, I don't have previous receipts, but this is like a very bearish market for me. Like, who am I? I made more videos than anyone else in this space, with the most proof documented of 39,000 videos. And I'm not saying this is going to still keep going down, but how it's going, the likelihood of this going down is high. That's what I'm saying. And only if I see a full candle shift above 85 cents am I going to look to potentially take things up. Other than that, this is like one heck of a bearish market. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. There's nothing else that I'll try and add and force here. Goodbye.